This tutorial will focus on downloading a Grade Center copy into an Excel spreadsheet. A lot of times we would like to keep a copy offline of our grades and then turn them into the Admissions and Records office. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go down to the control panel and we're going to go to the Grade Center. When I click on the double chevron, this will take me straight to the Grade Center page. Notice when we get to the Grade Center page that I have a button on the very far right that is labeled Work Offline. If I click on it or put my mouse on it, you'll notice there's Upload and Download. We are going to be able to download a copy of your Grade Center into an Excel spreadsheet. Yes, you could upload the same copy of your Excel spreadsheet back into the Grade Center. Click on Download. We are now at the Download Grades page. Notice number 1, Data. Select Data to download. I am going to keep the radio button on the full Grade Center, but notice you could select columns and you could also select user information only. Number 2, you can choose between comma delimited and tab delimited. I usually leave it on the default because I like to have my items separated by tabs, and this seems to open very nicely in the Excel spreadsheet. I also keep the default on Include Hidden Information on No. If you did have some hidden information that included other columns and users that were hidden, you could select Yes, and that would also pop up in the Excel spreadsheet. Save location. A lot of times you're going to want to save your grades on your computer or your jump drive, so you can keep the radio button My Computer selected, and then you come down to number 4 and click on Submit. The next screen you'll see is a download button. This is where we're going to be able to save the data to a file. Click on Download. Now you notice it opens up a dialog box. Yes, I could open this file in an Excel spreadsheet, but I would like to save it first. A dialog box pops up and it will ask me where I want to save it. And I have some special folders already made to save my files in. And notice it has a file name already, has a date stamp. You can change that if you like, and you can save as type. Mine just pops right into the Excel worksheet. I'm going to click on Save, and now my spreadsheet is saved. And then I would go to that particular area that I saved it in, and I would double click on it. So let me do that now. I'm going to double click in my folder, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to look for that Excel spreadsheet. Notice it's right here. It's labeled. I'm going to double click to open it. And it says the file you're trying to open is in a different format than specified by the file extension. Verify that it's not corrupted, and yes, I understand, and I want to open it. And here is my Grade Center. Now notice I don't have a lot of information in here. You'll have a lot more. Now to clean this up, you probably need to know a little bit about Excel. And it's not hard. One of the things that I like to do is if there's some extra columns, I would just right-click on the column heading and I can delete some of these extra columns. So everything in your Grade Center should come into this spreadsheet. Again, you can clean it up. You can actually expand, make these a little wider or smaller columns. Do a little cleanup, and then you can print this out, turn it into admission and records, and also have a saved copy for yourself. I hope that's helped you to be able to save your grade center grades and information in an Excel spreadsheet. Thank you.